Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and today we will cover another concept which is called overriding methods. Okay, so we already learned overloading and polymorphism, right? Now today we will learn the concept of overriding methods. Now to understand the overriding methods, I am not giving you first the definitions. I will try to create some example and give you some questions and try to realize that question, then you can understand the overrides methods. In my Eclipse, I have already created a com.demo.overriding package, and here I have a class called parent class. So here you can see this is my parent class, and here I have a method definitions display where it simply print I am in parent class. Similar way, I have another class under the same package which is called child class, which basically extend that parent class, and here I have another method that is basically child class method name as welcome message, and here it's give a simple statement, a warm welcome from child class. So I have two class, one is parent class, one is child class. Child class try to inherit the parent class properties with the keyword extend, and here under this child class and also in parent class I have two methods. Okay, now you can see I have also created a main class, and from this main class I have created an instance of child class. So child class instance and then new the constructor, and using this instance first time I try to call welcome message. This method actually part of child class, and second time I am trying to call another method which is called display method, which is basically part of my parent class. Okay, so now if I try to run this, so you can see I will get two message. So one is a warm welcome from child class. This is basically child class method message, and this statement is parent class method statement or message, right? Now the questions is that, let's say in child class. Okay, so this is my child class. In child class I create a same type of method name with same type of access modifier return type, and if there is any argument available, so all are same and the same type of things. If I create here, let's say public void display, and under that I am giving some another statement. So previously in parent class the display method give I am in parent class. So instead of that, let's say I give a message something like I am in child class. Okay, so you can see my return type, my method definitions or method name, even if you have in some case argument, all are same like the parent class method. Now I have this method available both in child class as well as parent class. Okay, now from this main class I have created an instance, and previously you can see this display method call the parent class method, and that's why I am getting I am in parent class. So this is basically method coming from this parent class display method. Now I have this display method available both in parent class and child class, and from this main class if I try to call this statement, now tell me what will be my output statement. Is it I am in parent class or is it I am in child class? Which will be the statement when I try to execute this statement? Confused, right? Sure, let's run it and try to understand. Okay, so if you can see here when I run it, so you can see the message is coming from child class, not from parent class. Though previously I got this from parent class, but now it's coming from child class. So why it is coming from child class and why not from parent class? So this is the concept of overriding method. So sometime it's also required that instead of parent class method, sometime we need the same type of method which need to be override of parent class method, and that's why I am creating the same method and giving a different behavior. And once I try to call from the main method with the instance of child class, so instead it going to the or access the parent class method, it simply override this parent class method with child class method, because this is the same name, same signature, same return type, right? So this is basically, this display method basically override this display method which is part of parent class, these display methods properties, okay, or the behavior. So that's why we are actually getting this message. So in single term, the child class method simply override the parent class method, which is same name, same return type, same parameter. Okay, so as this child class basically override the properties or behavior of parent class, so this type of method is called override method or overriding method. So this is a very important question in any interview: what is overloading and what is overriding? So overloading, we already know the polymorphism concept, but overriding is basically this one. So if you give a explanations that like this way what I explained, that first time it's coming from this parent class when there is no same type of method available in child class, but second time when the same method, same parameter and same return type, same signature we use here with some different behavior, so it's actually calling or overriding the parent class method and execute the child class instance or child class method instance. Okay, so this type of method is called overriding method.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.